So Kajabi, how does it fit in? What can it do? How much is it? And is it going to work for you? And if you've got Kajabi, what other software packages do you need? These are some of the questions that I'm going to be answering. And I'm also going to be highlighting some really nice features that many people don't know about. Things that make it a whole lot easier if you're selling digital products or offering any kind of coaching. But before we get going, and so you can see for yourself, I've also included a free Kajabi trial below. And if you do sign up, I get a little commission that helps me make videos like this to help you. Now, as I'm going through things, I'm going to try and be as detailed as possible and talk about features that are relevant to somebody getting started. Somebody that's trying to figure things out, what they need and what's going to suit them best. But if there's something I don't cover properly or something that's not 100% clear, ask me. Ask me in the comments. I do read them all. So, what exactly is Kajabi? Who is it for? How much does it cost? And is it worth it? Let's find out. In a nutshell, Kajabi, it's an all-in-one platform that allows coaches, course creators or consultants to sell and deliver their content. If you've got knowledge, a skill or expertise that you want to turn into revenue, Kajabi gives you the tools to do just that. Kajabi has a website builder. It creates landing pages, opt-in pages. You can build funnels. It's got a first-class selection of marketing tools like email sequence building, lead magnet creation, pre-built funnels, launch sequences, even quizzes. Pretty much everything you need to build your business. It processes your payments. It's got great management tools to manage your members. And of course, it delivers your content. You can also use it for webinars and podcasts. It puts everything you need in one place. And that's great. But how much does all this cost? Kajabi offers 3 pricing plans. There's the basic, which is $119 a month. Then there's the growth option, which is actually the one that I recommend. I think that's probably the best value for money. And that's $159 a month. And then there's a Pro. Now, the Pro account is $319 a month. Now, the Pro account, that's more for when you're selling a lot of courses and making a lot of money. So at that point, price becomes pretty irrelevant. Now, I know that's kind of like a bit of sticker shock, but when you consider what Kajabi replaces and how much easier it makes things, it's actually a pretty sweet deal. And here's why. I do a lot of one-to-one consulting, troubleshooting. And normally people come to me when things aren't working or they're not making the kind of money that they want to. Which makes sense because I guess no one's going to pay me to troubleshoot if there's no trouble. Anyway, the point that I'm making, the number one issue I hear, and I hear this all the time, people trying to build an online business, but they're getting totally overwhelmed. In fact, just before I recorded this video, I was on a one-to-one call with a new client. Well, actually, it was yesterday. Anyway, this guy was drowning. He was using Wix for his website, and that was costing him $9.50 a month. He was hosting his course on Teachable. That was $99 a month. He was building funnels with ClickFunnels. That was costing him $97 a month. He had an account with lead pages for his opt-in pages, another $37 a month. He had ActiveCampaign for his email marketing. That adds another $49 a month. He was using EverWebinar for his webinars at like $99 a month. His podcast was on Podbean, which is actually pretty cheap, but still $29 a month. And he was paying another $15 a month to Zapier, trying to make everything play together. He was spending, by my reckoning, over $400 a month and getting stressed with it all. When he found out that he could have done all this with Kajabi for like $150 a month without all the messing about and integrating and then managing it all, he was all made up. The biggest battle anyone has with selling a digital product online, be it a course, be it your consulting services, whatever it is, the biggest hurdle is how fast and how effectively you can get your product in front of the right people without juggling lots of moving parts. And that's why having everything you need in one place matters. Your focus needs to be on creating, not managing software. So the most cost-effective package is $159 a month. Is it worth it for what it does? Absolutely. I personally think after using Kajabi for like the last 4 years and seeing firsthand the advantages it offers, I think it's actually priced on the low side, but that's just my opinion. So yeah, Kajabi's got a lot to offer. If you're a course creator or you offer any kind of coaching, it's purposely built with you in mind. But it's not for everyone. The Kajabi platform, it's built for digital products. So if you sell physical products, Kajabi isn't really going to fit. And anyway, there's better solutions out there for physical products like Shopify. And another big plus for Kajabi, and this is something that you should be aware of if you're comparing platforms, and you should be comparing platforms, is the development cycle. How often are new features being added? And are the features that are being added going to benefit you as a business owner? Kajabi is constantly adding new features. In fact, there's 2 features I want to mention that they've just added. And then I want to mention what I think is the most important feature that Kajabi has ever added. Because for the digital business owner, this feature makes a huge difference. And it's something that you need to be aware of. Recently, Kajabi has made it easy for coaches. If you sell your knowledge or you offer, say, private one-on-one coaching, or even sessions to, say, a limited number of people, Kajabi has now made it so much easier. You can create one-off sessions, or you can create multiple coaching sessions, all with a single click. You can add upsells, add resources that your students can review before your session. And to schedule it, you can also integrate Kajabi with Calendly. And when you've completed your session, and this is a really nice feature, you can then upload a recording to your coaching dashboard so your client can access it for reference. They've really thought this through. The other new feature is podcasts. In the world of video, podcasts, they've still got so many benefits, and as your audience grows, you want to take advantage of it. Podcasts put you on a one-to-one with your audience, where they're free from the constant visual interruptions begging for their attention. The new podcasting feature on Kajabi makes it super simple to reach your audience without having to pay for a subscription to services like Buzzsprout or Podbean. And the last Kajabi feature, and granted it has been available for a while, but for creators, it's likely the biggest, most important feature. If you look at your analytics, I wouldn't mind betting that a huge percentage of your customers, they're viewing your content on mobile. And by default, the Kajabi page builder, it also builds a mobile-friendly version, but that's commonplace, nothing really special there. But Kajabi, they've taken it a step further, and they've made a dedicated app that your customers can download. It takes mobile learning to the next level. It's got push notifications built in, and learning tools that make learning on mobile so much easier. I can talk about the features of Kajabi for hours, but at the end of the day, the best way to see for yourself why I think Kajabi is just streets ahead of the competition is to download the free trial and test it out. Well, that's my take on Kajabi. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Until next time, bye for now.